Ladies and gentlemen, Shri Vinay Prakash ji. Welcome, sir.
Dr. Dilip Jha, I think you really have done a good job in terms of bringing Pawan, Parvesh, Ravi, Vidya, Padam, Neha, Bharat on the stage and tell us that yes, you have other job options also. And in fact, this gives us a very clear message that going forward, and I think I can tell it to Vikas Joshi ji and Amitabh, that why we have to actually go and search talent outside. We have so much of talent inside that we can rely on them and we can ask them to perform and actually make all of our family happy. And in fact, they have given a very good message also. More than a message, I could see a lot of marketing of Adani. You know, in fact, they have already covered that Adani is the largest MDO, the largest in edible oil. So not much for me to say. But before I start, good evening to all of you. And really, when we say Adani Utsav 2018, I really don't get much of the words to express my joy and pleasure. And when we have assembled today here again, after 1 year of Adani Utsav 2017, I'll again start it with the same notation with which I closed the last one. And can I request all of you to hold the hands of your partner? It could be your wife, it could be your friend, it could be your colleague, it could be anyone who is next to you. Can I ask everyone to hold the hand of the person next, standing or sitting with him or with her? Asmita is alone, so she can go and hold the hand of Mummy ji and Papa ji. And I'm holding the hand of everyone. So can we say, I'm not seeing all the hands there. Yeah, now I can see it. जो बात हम में है, वो ना तुझ में है और ना मुझ में है. And this only indicates that when we all together come as a family, we really enjoy the day. And today when I am standing here, I really take this opportunity to thank all of our employees, their families, the sacrifice of which has actually helped us to grow and come to this stage. And I can tell you, when I joined in year 2001, we were only 3. From that 3 in trading business, now to 2,500 members in only trading and mining business, with 12,000 family members, from our initial investment of only 25 crores to now 15,000 crores in trading and mining business, with a turnover of only around 300 or 400 crores in 2001, to now as high as 40,000 crores per year. Our growth is a true inspirational, and the credit of this growth goes to all of you. And in fact, when I'm standing in front of you, this is first time I'm getting an opportunity to speak in front of my parents. My parents are here first time, and that gives me a very proud feeling that they have sacrificed so many years of their life to really bring me up to this place. And it is all their sacrifice because of which I could have come to all these places. So thank you very much to both of you. In fact, when we have actually come to this stage, something which is coming in my mind, I read it a few days back, and I'm going to read it for you now. यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जनून सा दिल में जगाना पड़ता है. यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को मंजिल, एक जनून सा दिल में जगाना पड़ता है. पूछा चिड़िया से कैसे बना आशियाना, बोली भरनी पड़ती है उड़ान बार बार, तिनका तिनका उठाना पड़ता है. So when we talk about last 17 years, 25 years, it is a contribution of all family members who are here, who are not here, who had actually contributed to take us from nothing to this level. So thank you very much again to all of you. And when we talk about the complete family members, we have to also talk about our visionary leader, our chairman, Sri Gautam Bhai Adani, to whom we actually call by love as Gautam Bhai. It is his visionary approach. It is his way of working where he actually sees the dreams. He tells us the way how to achieve that dream. And we work hard. We all together work hard to achieve that dream. And I'm sure that you all will join me in saying this, that Gautam Bhai, आप सपने देखते रहो, हम उसे पूरा करते रहेंगे. And when I have completed 17 years of my working with the Adani Group, one thing which I would like to share in the interest of my young friends, the friends who had joined in last 5 years, 10 years, that in last 17 years of my working with the Adani Group, there has been many moments when I actually realized that I have not got the credit or the appreciation which I deserve for. And as usual, it happens with any case, I was also getting frustrated. But then I realized that it's not that every time you'll get the appreciation of your work, you'll get the recognition of your work. And then you'll believe that in last few years, I have started getting one song in my mind whenever I used to do something good in terms of achieving the target, which says that खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से फिर पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. And this actually speaks that when we have to work in a manner that the work should speak. We should not wait for the recognition or to see the appreciation of that work. And in that process, our work will only speak, and in a later part itself, will get all the appreciation. You'll have to believe that the law of average always prevails, and we will get our due credit, or rather more credit, in given point of time. So, my friends, we are growing as a big organization now. And when you are a big organization, not that everybody will get the recognition at appropriate time. You will get some recognition earlier, some later, but you have to show patience. I have been here for last 17 years, and I can tell you that I have got more than what I feel I deserve for, only because I have kept my belief in this particular quote. And today, when we are here, definitely there has been a lot of sacrifice from all the family members. I'm sure that many of you might have missed the birthday of your spouse, might have missed the birthday of your children, might have missed the parent-teacher meeting of your children, and all this just because you had to complete your work at your office. And this all actually has led us to come to the stage where we are. And for this, really, if you really ask me for last 17, 18 years of my being with Adani Group, and I have seen a lot of things happening in Adani Group, and my heart gets filled with a lot of joy when I actually get to see that a lot of people who have joined at that time as bachelor, got married, got their children grew up, and now they are either studying or they are actually going into, getting ready for getting into the colleges now. I have seen actually people coming to me and sharing their pleasure for buying their first car, their first house, their first bike. And it's not that that Rajendra Singh's son, who was actually playing at one time with me 15 years back, came to me last year discussing about the mining business. And I'm very happy to see that he is now working with Hindustan Zinc as a mining engineer. Similarly, you talk about Dela Prasad ji. We attended the marriage of his son last year. And now we are waiting for the marriage of Rajesh Agrawal's daughter. And I'm very, very anxious to go for the day where I can wear the dhoti kurta to attend that marriage. Similarly, Anant, I can tell many names. In fact, my complete life is full of those events. Anant, who joined 6 years back, was celebrating the birthday of his son, who actually was 5 years a few days back. So all these things, if you see, it's all the family where we have been celebrating. We have been celebrating birthday. We have been participating in their marriages. We have been there, thin and thick, with all of them. And this actually takes us to be a small family at one time to be a big family now today who is there in Kingdom of Dreams. And in fact, yesterday we were having a Apex, and in Apex meeting, one of the Apex members actually told me that, Vinay, you're putting on a lot of weight. So, in fact, I said that it's because of stress, it's because of late working, late dinner, and it's also because of a lot of sweets which I'm getting because of my mother and some extra love in terms of food by my wife. But it is also because of one more fact, which I will tell you today, that it is actually that I'm actually getting every day one sweet from any of my members in office for one or another reason. In fact, Anuj came just now to tell me, sir, that I have offered you seat for my child. So you can understand that I've been getting every day one sweet, though I want to stop the sweet every day, and which is actually forcing me to now think that we have to start getting into marathon and all these things again to have the balance of the weight also. In fact, one thing which we have been also discussing a few days back in one of the get-together of mining business is having a work-life balance. And today, when we discuss about the work-life balance, we always see that work-life balance is nothing but having 9 hours in work and balance 15 hours at home. But if you really ask me, we have been always believing in one fact, that whether it is work or whether it is your life, you need to always love what you're doing, and then only you can give the best. What we are doing now is that when we are at the work, we have the issues at home. When we are at the home, we have the issues at the work. What I really urge all of you to see that we need to make sure that when we are at the work, whether it is 8 hours, 9 hours, 12 hours or more, we are committed to the work. And we are when at the home, we are committed to our home only. And in that process, I can see a lot of guys standing there. A request to all of you that we have a smartphone, which I believe is smarter than us, and we have to ensure that we cut down the use of that smartphone. And in that process, we have to make sure that when we are at home, we need to put it at off, and in the morning we have to start it. This will help us to get discipline to have a work-life balance. And I'm sure it is going to be difficult for me to maintain it, but if all of you are going to do it, I'm sure I'm going to follow you, and I'm going to follow you and make sure that we have a better work-life balance than what is being there today. When we talk about the employee engagement, really Mr. Vikas Joshi, Amitabh, Padam, Anant, everyone, Menon, everyone in the admin team has been really working very hard to ensure that we have good family and employee engagement. Whether it is Appreciation Week, where we have been appreciating from junior to senior, colleague to colleague, anyone, whether it is celebrating any festival in office. And in fact, if you really see, whether it is Diwali, whether it is Holi, whether it is any festival. In fact, Dandiya, Amit and his wife, they initiated last year. That function that makes us feel that we are not actually celebrating festivals once. We are celebrating festivals twice in a year, where every time we have one Holi at office and one Holi at home. Similarly, one Diwali Milan at office and one at home. And this is something which clearly indicates that we are not restricted to a small nuclear family. We have been always discussing that we have been having a joint family earlier in the earlier time, and we have now moved from joint family to nuclear family. Okay, fine. At that time, the family was on the basis of relations. But now moving from that family to a nuclear family, and if we add all these family members, you're again back to the same joint family which was there in the past, and which was there, was always living very happily, and which was always there to have a good interaction with each other. So from moving from that place to nuclear and nuclear to having this complete family is actually, again, going back to the same roots of our traditions. In fact, if you talk about the last 1 year has been very happening for all of us in terms of business performance, in terms of trading. Really a good job done by the complete team to come out from having a very depressing year last to last year, where we got a lot of reduction in the PSU business to have extraordinary growth in private business. And moving from 8 million ton to 30 million tons per annum is a very remarkable figure. And I really congratulate, and I really want all of you to give a round of applause to the complete team led by Rajendra Singh and his team for doing a wonderful job to go from 8 to 30 million tons and again back in the same positioning of doing 75 million tons of volume. In mining business, we have actually grown from one state to now 4 states. We are in Chhattisgarh, we are in Tamil Nadu, we got the contract of NLC last week. We are into Rajasthan, we have a contract for 27 million tons for them. And we are into Odisha now. So with these 4 states, we have crossed the half century, 52 million tons per annum. And I'm sure with the guidance of Mr. DLR Prasad, Mr. Rajesh Agarwal, Ram Patodia, everyone who is here, I can't name everyone because these lights are also disturbing me to see any of you standing there. But because of all of you, I'm sure that we will be in position to go from 52 million ton to 100 million ton very soon. If I could see the clapping of Mr. DLR Prasad and Rajesh Agarwal, I can say yes, we can go to 100 million tons very soon. I can say that now. In terms of bunkering business, a good job by Rajendra Singh and Manoj Tandon, a perfect team, despite of all hurdles being created by GST. And when I say GST, it is not Dr. Jha, it is actually GST. And despite of GST, we are again back to the same numbers. We are growing very fast. I'm sure that these two will be in position to take this business to the leading numbers. And where I'm talking about all these numbers, let me tell you, in mining business, we are the largest MDO. In trading business, we have been always the largest supplier of coal in India, one of the largest in the world, in top 3. And in bunkering business, we are again the largest in India. And when we talk about all these things, what we see actually is that we are actually giving a lot of legacy. We are leaving a lot of legacy for our new friends, new entrant in our organization. And when we talk about legacy, it is all because of you. When you say that Ashish can tell to Kabir that, yes, look, I have created this trading business, and in this trading business, I am supplying power to all rural areas. It is all because of this coal trading, this imported coal, because of which India is in position to supply power to the rural areas. When we talk about mining, I'm sure KR Singh will be saying to his son, and I'm not naming only few, I can name every of you, but definitely we have other show also. He can definitely tell his son that, yes, I have created a very big infrastructure at Chhattisgarh on which now, today, not even Chhattisgarh, the complete coal industry is proud of. And I can tell you with Mr. Uma Shankar there, with a lot of guys from Coal India, with Mr. DLR Prasad from Singareni, I can tell you the property which we have created, the business which we have created, this responsible green miner which we have been seeing just now, our investment into CSR with heart is actually taking us differently than what is there in the Coal India and Singareni coal. We are totally different to them, and today we are being seen as a very responsible green miner. Yeah, one more thing. In fact, since Yogendra Sharma ji is also here, and he would be completing his 10th year also with us, I'm sure he can also tell to his grandchildren that I have created one of the largest private railway siding in Sarguja. And before next year, 2001 end, we will be disclosing you that we have started that SRC Pill line, which is 77 kilometers of the largest private railway line of India. Now, when we talk about all these things, it's all success. And when we talk about success, we have to be very clear success should always be here. It should never come to this place. Because when you get into this place, you always start getting into the complacency. We need to be always simple. We need to learn this from our Adani family. Be Gautam Bhai, Rajesh Bhai, Parno Bhai, Karan, Sagar, Preeti Babi, or even Paridhi also. We have to learn from them as how we have to remain grounded, how we have to remain simple. And when we talk about this, I would like to wrap up my speech with 4 lines which I actually did in the morning only, and it was very wonderful lines. So, नज़र नज़र में उतरना कमाल होता है, नज़र नज़र में उतरना कमाल होता है, नफस नफस में बिखरना कमाल होता है, बुलंदियों पे पहुंचना ही कोई कमाल नहीं, बुलंदियों पे पहुंचना ही कोई कमाल नहीं, बुलंदियों पे ठहरना भी कमाल होता है. And this is very important. When we discuss about being the largest, we always get a pride. Pride is fine. But we have to always remain grounded. We have to always be very clear that we need to respect all of our counterparties. We need to respect all of our new joinees. We have to respect all of our senior guys. And we have to ensure that this success, this place remains with us, and we grow from here to a very higher numbers on which the next generation to us should also be proud of all of us. Thank you. Thank you very much to all of you.